Design process control. Using standalone drawing tools for different steps in the electrical design process gives companies a lot of freedom. Too much freedom, when more than a handful of engineers are working together, and the consequences of mistyping just a single character can cost dearly. With CHS, companies can get designs right first time. Extensive design process control facilities, such as release processes, design revisions, and effectivity, mean that engineers get to do what they're good at, be creative. And CHS does what it's good at, communicating data where it's needed and enforcing constraints when required.
At the beginning of the 1990s, a new line of vehicles was released that had a minor electrical problem associated with the fuel system, which caused the vehicles to be recalled. Now, given this was a major product launch, the cost for that isn't just measured in the cost of bringing the vehicles back into garages and fixing the problem, but also the damage to this brand new brand the company was trying to create.
Embedded simulation. Easy-to-use simulation allows designs to be tested before the hardware phase. Problems can be identified much earlier, when it's less expensive to fix problems. Rigorous failure mode effect analysis can identify problems that otherwise might only be found by the customer at huge cost to reputation and bottom line. Rule-driven design.
Well, CHS has a model-driven design capability that enables companies to capture rules and constraints that will be automatically applied as part of the design process. For example, a designer might capture a rule that specifies segregation for signals, physical segregation for signals to comply with EMI constraints. And this also plays a role in complying with regulation frameworks such as EWIS.
Companies have developed a variety of decision support resources that help engineers make good choices, from rule-of-thumb heuristics through to more complex calculations and design rules. CHS provides a platform to capture rule-based design processes with configurable rule-based elements within the design flow. These allow companies to capture and repeatedly apply best practice design to every platform program.
A lot of the vehicle programs are managed on an average cost basis. So when you want to try to get average costs down, that tends to drive you to proliferate part numbers to actually give away the minimum amount of content. In the past, that wasn't possible because you could only have a certain number of part numbers in the assembly plant, or it was overwhelming.
Mentor Graphics is the global leader in electrical design software, providing world-beating functionality in design automation, optimization, and rule-based design. Unlike other electrical design tools that provide point solutions, CHS provides an integrated, system-led architecture that allows data to flow in an automated but constrained process that helps companies to compete with reduced design cycle time, lower product cost, and better design quality. To find out more about how Mentor Graphics can help your company streamline its electrical design process by reducing cost and design cycle time, visit our website at mentor.com/electrical for more industry information, including white papers, demonstrations, software evaluations, and local contact information.